Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group, and making a quick video here on value boosting home design trends for the fall of 2023. One of the most frequently asked questions that I get is, hey, what can I do to my home to boost its value? And a lot of these fixes that can bring in lots and lots of extra money in terms of a selling price are not very expensive or time consuming. So let's talk about some of these. So when the season changes, it's always a great time to update your home's aesthetics. And incorporating a few current trends, you can actually increase the home sale price if you are thinking about entering into the market. How does good interior design boost your home value? Well, increasing the value of your home may not be the initial reason you decide to redecorate. Great design does often increase the perceived value of a home. What is perceived value? It's the subjective value that a buyer places on a property, and it can be boosted by things like staging, good landscaping, and well-thought design. According to Country Living, a simple redecoration can increase your home's value by up to 10%, and that's without remodeling anything. So what are some of the trends for the fall of 2023? If you're thinking of selling this fall or not, these fall trends will update your space and make it feel fresh. For 2023, we're seeing a move away from obvious fall motifs like scarecrows and pumpkins, and instead you're going to see more subtle decor choices that inspire feelings of coziness with a nod to nostalgia. Here's what to expect. Organic and interesting shapes. Organic shapes ousted harsh angles and straight line syndrome at the end of last year, and they're still going strong, I should say. The main update for fall is the showcased use of organic shapes to create visual interest. Curved combined with high contrast colors and impactful textures and mood lighting will take center stage. Another one, warm neutrals. Subtlety and warmth continue in this season's most loved hues. Be on the lookout for warming honeys and muted peaches. Earth tones combined with pops and contrasting black will create depth and interest, while usurping the more obvious pumpkin oranges. Another one, luxurious textures. Fall decor is about incorporating all of the senses, so think beyond visual interest. This autumn, we'll be seeing mixed luxury textures like velvet, beadboard, leather. So you want to incorporate a variety of these tactile items, and don't be afraid to overdo it. Burlap, crochet, silk, dried plants, anything else you can imagine are on the table here. Expect to see lots of wicker and woven furniture, and on the walls, envision lime-washed or even textured wallpaper. Another one, vintage charm. Fall always skews a little bit vintage, usually because this time of year, most people like to get cozy and nostalgic. This year, you'll see more obvious nods to the past with cottagecore and granny chic aesthetics that incorporate vintage and vintage-inspired pieces. Expect patterns on the wall and furniture, lots of texture and maximalist hard word for me to say, ornamentation. Hopefully I didn't butcher that one too much. Last thing here, make it yours. The most important part about decorating your space or redecorating your space is that you like it when you're finished. Take these trends, make them yours, and create a space that you will love. And for more info on this, click the link. And as always, if you're thinking of selling your home this fall, reach out. Love to prepare a plan that will get you the most amount of money in the least amount of time with the least amount of hassle. If you're not selling, no worries. Take this and make this redecoration process fun. Thanks so much for watching. Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group, and we'll see you in the next video.